YouTube family, what's going on, man? We back with another video, man. Today your boy has had some packages come in. Actually, not just today, just over the course of time. I had some packages come in and I'm finally getting to them today. And I finally got them guys, man. Yes sir, man. It has been over 10 years, 15, 16 years maybe, I want to say. What? Maybe 16 years in the making, man, since the last time we seen this shoe. But I'm about to show y'all those shoes, man. Before we get into it, this is y'all first time rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. We need y'all to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button. We still on that road to 100K, man, and we got a lot of things coming up, man. I'm about to go back in my bag and hit y'all with these old videos. I just took a little time off from doing all the on feeds so that y'all can miss it for a second. But I'm about to hit y'all hard with some on feeds, man. The movies is coming back, so stay tuned for that. Trust me when I tell y'all. But other than that, man, let's jump right into it, man. Unboxings on unboxings on unboxings. So let's dive into it and see what your boy done picked up recently, man. Coming in hot, first thing, bang! I do have a bag of package that I did open up already, man. I want to show y'all your boy picked up a pair of shorts. Bro, I got every single color I want to say in these shorts, man. It is essential for the summer, knee high, you know what I'm saying? What are they called? Standard fit above knee length Nike shorts, bro. Nike shorts. Orange. I got orange, added it to the collection. You see the Nike right there. Orange is definitely a dope color. I'ma rock these with, you know, I need them Starfish Jordan 1s, man. The women exclusives, got your name all over these right here, man. So definitely need those ones when they drop. I think they drop later this year, like what, August, maybe October, sometime around there. But I did pick up a pair of the orange knee-high shorts. Definitely a must in my opinion, man. Like I said, I got black, blue, light blue, yellow, green, lime green. I got every single color you can think of in these shorts, man. Essential for the summertime, man. So definitely some dope summer gear. Pick these up from Nike. Grab them while supplies last, man. I think they're like $50 retail. And yeah, man, Nike shorts on deck. So let's keep it moving to the next item. Oh, sneakers. Appreciate y'all. You know, they don't come too often, so I do appreciate y'all when I get them dubs. Bang, man. So I do have another sneaker right here from the Sneakers app. This did come from the Sneakers app. I did hit on this pair. I actually already had a pair. I actually do have about 4 pairs of these, man. If you need like a size 10.5, 11, or 12, I think this is the sizes I got, man. Hit me up at JTSG Closet. I got your size over there, man. But this is a recent release. Low life, man. So yes sir, comes in a Jordan 1 box, man. So I did pick them up from Sneakers app, Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. No need to go into all that because I already showed y'all the shoes. Bang! You see the blue bottom, man. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Low Mystic blue joints, man. Size 9. I did hit on another personal size on the Sneakers app, man. So doubled up to say, you know, I should have doubled up on the corals, the coral lows, but I wasn't able to double up on those. But I do have 2 pairs of these, man. So size 9, another Mystic blue Jordan 1. I didn't need 2 pairs, but I got 2 pairs, so it might become trade bait or I might flip it, man. If you need a size 9, hit your boy up, man. At JTSG Closet. If the number's right, whatever, we can make it work. If not, I'ma just throw them in the back of the collection, man. But anyways, that's another pickup, man. Keeping it moving. Appreciate y'all. Where this package came from? I don't even know where this package came from. I probably done took off the sticker, so I'm not sure where this came from, but we gonna open it up and find out, ain't we? So let me see what else this is. Okay, opening this up. Oh, okay, I see what this is. This came from BSTN, as you can see right there, man. BSTN is, I think, overseas clothing spot. They sell shoes, clothes, 100% authentic, all that good stuff over there, man. They did have these over there, and I think they had like the best price out of anybody. So, what is this? Return form. I don't need this. We don't return nothing. But anyways, man, got me a pair of shorts right here, and they aren't just any regular pair of shorts, man. As you can see right there, kinda, you already know what team that is. You already know what team that is, man. So I did pick up a pair of Chicago Bulls Just Don shorts. So you see the Just Don written right there on the back. 100% authentic. That's all we do over here. Bang! So there we go, man. Got the Chicago Bulls Just Done shorts. I think I paid like $3.29 for these, and really they be going for around like $400, $3.99 to $4.50, sometimes $500 on the resale side of things, but they had them over there for $3.29, and yeah, it's actually right there on the tag. So that is the price right there, what I paid, if y'all can see that. But I did pay $3.29, like $3.60 at the shipping, and fire, man, fire. If you know your boy Jay, man, I got quite a few Just Done shorts, man. I got like just like my 6th or 7th pair of Just Done shorts. They're not cheap by far, bro. Not cheap by far, but good quality shorts, and definitely good for the summer, you know what I'm saying? Like, they gonna draw eyes. A lot of people are gonna ask, you know, where I got them from. Where this, hey, you could probably get these from like a boutique like Amon Manir. I think they sells Just Done stuff, but they didn't have a Chicago, so hence why I didn't get mine from there. But anyways, let's keep it moving. Appreciate you. Dang, okay, another package, man. I don't know where this one came from. Like I said, I just be having stuff come in. I do not know where this package came from. And clothing, man. Look, And Clothing is another overseas site in the UK. That's where this package came from. What did I order from there? Cause I just be ordering stuff and forgetting about it. But I do not know what I ordered from End. Yeah, End. You see it right there, written on the package. End Brandon. They do sell sneakers as well. I got a couple shoes from End Clothing. DMP6s, such things like that. My Gym Red 14s all came from End Clothing. So shout out to End Clothing. They be coming through. What did I don't even know what I got in here, man. This is how the packaging is. You will have your receipt inside that envelope, wrapped up neat in tissue paper. What did I order? What did I order? I just be forgetting about stuff. But what did I order? Some more shorts. Wow. Bruh. Some more shorts. Okay, so bruh. This kind of look like the shorts I just had, ain't it? Bruh. Yeah, I ordered, bruh. See, that just lets you know that I be doing too much, because one of these is definitely going back. I have right here 2 pairs of the same exact shorts, bruh. So whichever one was cheaper is the one I'm gonna keep, and the one that was more money I'm gonna send back, because this is exactly the same shorts that I just showed y'all earlier, ain't it? Bruh. Yeah, same exact shorts, bruh. So hold on. Bruh. Come on, man. Bruh. Your boy be doing too much, bruh. So I definitely had to send one of these back. Like I said, the one which was cheaper, I'm gonna send back, but I definitely did get 2 of the same pairs of shorts. I don't know how I did that, just doing too much, man. But anyways, y'all already seen these. We ain't gonna get into that. Let's get into that last item. Yes, sir. Finally got them. Bang! So yes, sir, man. Here we go. I do have a Nike box right here, man, and I've been waiting on this one to land. I was questioning myself, are they gonna release in men's sizes? Because I knew that children, like kid sizes, already landed inside retail stores, because I had my hands on a couple pairs, but men's sizes were slim to none. You weren't seeing them, so you was questioning whether they was gonna be releasing. We did have an official release of these probably about a week now ago. Last week they released, but they sold out instantly. Box took them up. Only place that released them, I think, was DTLR. That was the only place that released them, man. But hey, that shoe was none other than the Air. So I did get a 9.5 in this shoe. My true size is a 9, and I recommend you guys, if you do get this shoe, go true to size, because after trying them on, they do fit like a little bigger than I expected. Because your modern day basketball shoes, they are tight. So you got to go half up on your modern day basketball shoes, but your old basketball shoes, such as, bang, the Nike Air Penny 1, go true to size, man. But yes, man, they finally re-released. Your boy did cop these. Set them back here, man. Get my presentation on, you feel me? But yes, man, definitely glad that I got my hands on these joints, man. So size tag and stuff right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bang! Here we go, man. A men's pair, man. I already did a detailed review on the GS pairs of these. Like I said, GS pairs hit retail stores probably about 3 months ago. We was questioning when are they gonna drop. finally got a small release. I think there will be a wider release of these coming probably next month or so, maybe August. We might see a wider release of these. But yes, man, select stores did release some recently. DTLR was one of the only places I do know that did release them in men's sizes, but men's sizes have landed, man. So this was a shoe that your boy had to cop, man. Remember watching, you know, Lil Penny videos with Chris Rock back in the day, 90s, man. If you know, you know, man. But this is one I definitely had to have, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I will be hitting y'all with that review and on feet, and I'm not gonna just say it, I'm gonna make it happen, man. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, man, hey, fire shoes, man. But that is all my pickups, bro. Your boy gotta slow down. As you can see, I bought 2 of the same pairs of shorts, but I'm gonna fix that. We gonna definitely send one of those back. But yeah, man, that's all the pickups that your boy had, man. Thank y'all for watching as always. Let me know your thoughts on the Penny One, man. I know a lot of people were interested in this shoe. It's an iconic, classic, legendary shoe, man. It is back. Like I did say, if you're interested in these and you want to get them off like the resale market or anything, go true to size, man. So, but that is it for this one, man. Make sure y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is checking out. Till the next time, I'm gone, man. Jay making movies. Peace.